Many fathers in their 60s experience deep regret over missed moments with their adult children. Studies show that 68% of aging parents feel emotional distance due to past priorities like work. This scene explores how revisiting old photos can trigger introspection. A Harvard study found that reminiscing strengthens emotional resilience. Tip: start by acknowledging these feelings without judgment. It's the first step toward reconnection. Emotional distance often stems from unspoken expectations. Research indicates that 52% of adult children avoid initiating contact to avoid paternal advice. The father here hesitates to call, mirroring a common dilemma. A University of Michigan study highlights that small, consistent gestures rebuild trust. Practical step: send a text without expecting an immediate reply. It reduces pressure for both parties. Initiating contact requires vulnerability. Data shows that 74% of adult children respond positively to non-demanding messages. This father types, "Hey, just thinking about you," a phrase recommended by therapists for its neutrality. Psychology Today notes that brevity avoids triggering defensiveness. Tip: emojis like a smiley face can soften tone. Avoid questions requiring lengthy responses. Rebuilding trust takes time. A 2023 study found that parents who practice patience see 40% better long-term reconnection rates. Here, the father waits by a rainy window, symbolizing the emotional limbo many experience. The Mayo Clinic advises using this time for self-reflection, not anxiety. Tip: engage in a distracting activity, like reading, to manage waiting stress. Virtual interactions ease initial reconnection. According to Stanford research, video calls reduce awkwardness by 30% compared to phone calls. The father and adult child here share tentative smiles, a milestone. Note the coffee mug. Psychologists suggest holding objects to ground nervous energy. Tip: keep calls under 15 minutes initially to avoid overwhelming either party. Effective communication hinges on listening. The American Psychological Association found that 89% of adult children crave paternal listening over advice. Here the father nods intently, resisting interruptions. Notice his hands, clasped to avoid fidgeting. Tip: paraphrase their point, sounds like you're saying, to show engagement. Silence is powerful, let pauses linger. Vulnerability fosters mutual healing. A Johns Hopkins study reveals that parents who admit regrets see 50% faster relationship repair. The father's admission, "I wish I'd been there more," is pivotal. Therapists recommend I statements to avoid blame. Tip: prepare these confessions in advance to stay concise. Avoid over-apologizing. Focus on present intentions. Low-pressure interactions rebuild comfort. Data shows that 65% of adult children prefer public meetups initially, e.g. cafes, over home visits. The father suggests lunch, a neutral setting. Cornell University research advises proposing specific plans next Saturday to increase follow-through. Tip: let them choose the venue to empower their participation. Physical reconnection often feels awkward but meaningful. A study in Social Psychology Quarterly found that brief hugs release oxytocin, easing tension. Their stiff but warm embrace here mirrors real-life progress. Note the cafe's public setting, it provides emotional safety. Tip: respect boundaries. Let the child initiate the first hug if uncertain. Consistency transforms reconnection into habit. UCLA research shows that monthly meetups increase relationship satisfaction by 60% within a year. Here they walk side by side, a metaphor for equal footing. The sunset symbolizes hope. Final tip: schedule the next interaction before parting to maintain momentum. Small steps create lasting change.